Hello everyone, myself Rashmi Aire from 4th year BArch. I'm presenting my design project whose title is Khelo India, a sports complex. This project is of a sports complex wherein we were supposed to design spaces of 9 indoor courts and all other requirements which would cater the complex. The aim of this project is to promote sports and spread awareness about the same as well as to provide platforms at a single place. To understand about this topic into some more detail, we did a few case studies. Apart from the online case studies, we did also visit the Minatai Thakre Divisional Sports Complex, which is located at Nasik. Here, uh, we saw how the spaces are connected with each other and also its internal layout. We also got an understanding about how the lighting system is provided in a sports area. This particular sports complex includes multipurpose halls, secondary sports halls, stage areas, and several sports courts. The site analysis. The site is located at Sinnar. It is located at Nasik Pune Highway, which lies on Sinnar near the Samruddhi Mahamarga. The landmark near this site is the Swami Samarth Petroleum. The sun path of this area is from east to west via south. Also, this site is about 42 kilometers away from Nasik, so it can be accessed using road transports. It can also be accessed from using a train, or also the airport is quite near at a distance of 1.5 hours. We then collectively studied the areas required for all these sports courts and listed down the number of courts that would be needed. So the sports areas for each game are divided into three: the practice courts, courts for divisional and national level, and courts for international level. We then came up with other requirements such as the hostel blocks, medicinal facilities, administrative buildings, public amenities, etc. Accordingly, their approximate areas were calculated. Moving ahead with the zoning, I have grouped these spaces into four parts: the admin area, the public amenities, sports areas, and other facilities. Considering the approximate areas calculated, the site is divided into these four parts, and accordingly, I made a bubble diagram which showed me a clarity between how the spaces would be connected to each other. The site plan. The site is accessed from two sides: one main entrance from the 24-meter wide road and another from its adjacent road. The main entrance of the site is from 24-meter wide road having a security cabin on its left. Driving into the site, the right side is the administrative building which would cater the entire complex and would look after all the schedules. Moving further, there are the public amenities located at the focal point of the site. This area includes souvenir shops and food plazas, which can be easily accessed from the sports areas and other surrounding areas, so that the visitors may visit this area just before or after or in between the games. The road between the admin building and the public amenities leads ahead to the medicinal facilities and the fitness center. The medicinal facilities are placed at an accessible distance from the 24-meter wide road, besides which the site lies. Fitness center includes group exercise area, office spaces, etc. The fitness center also is provided with a green gym, outdoor badminton courts, and two gazebos. Moving ahead is the hostel area, which includes rooms for sports persons and coaches as well, including the kitchen and dining spaces. The hostel area lies quite near to the second entrance, therefore, the players can use this entrance so that they remain undisturbed from the visitors' crowd. The north, the west, and the northeast is majorly covered by the sports areas. The orientation of these sports areas is done according to the practice codes, divisional level codes, and the international level courts. Practice courts are provided just opposite to the hostel blocks. The vehicular movement here would be controlled at its entrance. A common parking for these areas lies on the right from where these areas are entered. Spaces for all sports are interconnected and lie at an accessible distance from each other. The north of the side holds all the national and divisional level courts, whereas the west holds the international level courts. These are the three major elements of landscaping used in my design: the gazebos, the gulmohar trees, and a fountain. Since gazebos need a very low maintenance, I thought that these would be a good shelter for social interaction and also would look attractive in the outdoors. So that is why I have given four gazebos on the site. Also, along the roadside, there are gulmohar trees planted, which are which act like a shading device to cover the roads. Also, their bright colors would help human mind to stay completely fresh. And in between the sports areas, I have provided two water bodies. They are the fountains, which would help in improving the air quality. Also, these would keep the ambience extremely calm and pleasant. The sections.